welcome to our snazzy life.
So today we are doing something a little bit different. We normally do pins, but we got something else to unbox today. Katie's excited about. Do you want to show them?
We got newly released Loungeflies. They're bag charms, but they're little backpacks. And this set of 6.
The Loungeflies, yeah.
Yeah, this set of 6 is all Lilo and Stitch.
So we actually have some of these we've gotten before. I was trying to get an Iron Man one at one point, and I got a few of them, and I got Thor, which I keep on the back of Jack Skellington, and I got the one for Black Panther is on Uncle Scrooge. And then we found a company that's got, what was it called? Gwen's Mermaid Cove?
Gwen's Mermaid Cove, yeah.
And they had them for sale and had them like half off deal. And so brand new, these are like 20 a box. And I was able to get, you could pick ones. They would buy them and open it and sell the ones that they had. And they were actually cheaper than buying them new for the one you wanted.
Which was crazy.
Because I was like, I want these, but I don't want to keep buying boxes. But you guys know me, I love Eeyore. And so I actually have an Eeyore one.
On his new emo.
Yep. And then our friends just bought us, what are they?
They're like the Disney version of Labubus.
So you guys know what a Labubu is? It's those little ugly things. Katie loves them.
So cute.
So, but
He's cute.
you've probably seen in our videos, Carolina and Mimi got us each one, and I got a Mickey and Katie got the Minnie.
Yep.
And so my favorite backpack is this Oogie Boogie one I got. So, but the Stitch ones, there's a couple she likes, and she kind of wanted to get one, I think, to do this with her Labubu or her Minnie Mouse Labubu.
Yeah, I actually have one more of these, and it's an Ewok.
Yeah, well, that one was a different one. That one's not a backpack. That one was a dog bag,
yeah.
like to put dog poop bags in.
Yeah. So, but I'm really excited to open these.
Yeah, and this one, like, if I put this in my backpack, I actually keep, to go with our normal pin stuff, I actually keep extra pin backs in here. So whenever we're at the park, if we need pin backs or something, I've got these in here. So Katie was wanting to do this, and you can show them. I'll hold it up, and you want to read which ones they are as.
Normal Stitch, Angel, Stitch that's dressed up in a hula outfit, Lilo, there's Scrump, and there's Pleakley.
So which ones are you hoping you get the most?
Normal Stitch, Stitch dressed up in the hula, Lilo, and Scrump.
So you don't want the Alien or Angel.
Those would be my bottom 2.
So that means we're going to get 2 of each of those probably.
If we get 2 of each of those, he's in the doghouse. Because he jinxed me.
I didn't jinx anything, so.
Alright.
Let's see what we get.
So they are in a bag, I guess. So I can't tell what they are. I can't really feel what they are because 3 of them have gigantic ears, so.
Do I need to get scissors or is it going to tear?
It tears. Alright, the first one is Angel. I mean, it's cute. Don't get me wrong. She's just not one of my favorites. Okay, so one Angel.
Yep. And if you're not going to keep those, we could probably trade these with people that like them too.
Yes, I probably will.
So we can put these back in the boxes and do the whole thing.
All right, the second one is
This is what we get for opening and not doing the Gwens and waiting for them to get them, but alright.
It's his fault. He's the one that said it. If I get 4 Angels,
which we've had, like when we've ordered from like Loungefly and stuff, we've seen people get like, they buy 10 of a pin and they get all 10 of the same pin. Loungefly is not very good at mixing stuff up of what we've seen. Oh, she got the one she wanted.
I got a Stitch one, so that one is adorable.
So which one? I'm guessing LILO would be your second one you want the most.
I don't know. I
Probably
mean,
more than the.
LILO Scrump is really cute too. I don't know. I think I like the other three. I guess LILO would be my next one. But, honestly, anything except for Angel.
Even the alien?
Even the alien, I mean.
Well, since you got the one you want the most now.
Yeah.
You're okay with that? You're just trying to unhex yourself?
Yeah. Alright, last one. Ready?
I think it's going to be Scrump. Let's see.
Nope.
Oh, a third angel.
That's really bad luck.
Yeah. So.
Well, I got the one that I did want the most. So that makes me happy. I'm kind of bummed that I got 3 angels.
I think the angel's still cute. You can use
I'm not
the
saying
one.
I'm not saying it's not cute. It's just not really one that I want. I'm probably not gonna like that wouldn't be one that I would use.
Yeah. Okay.
So if I'm just being honest.
Alright.
So my Labubu is all dressed up in its Little Mermaid ears and its little backpack.
I actually think one of the angels might be cute on the Minnie Mouse. I know you're
Yeah.
not as big an angel fan, but.
It's so cute. And look at it, just standing there.
Well, I'm not sure if we're just going to make this a quick, short little video or if this is going to go on to another video. So if this is the whole video and it's going to be a short one, just want to say thanks for coming along. And we may be bringing these with us to the park to try and trade with people. Who knows? We'll see. You know, I'd say, you know, we paid $20 each for them, so they're probably worth about a $20 pin. Someone that's a big angel fan. So.
Yeah, we'll see. But I guess if not, though, we'll see you next time.
Our snazzy life.
Bye, guys.
Deuces.